It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Hello everyone. Flying Scotsman 4472. Sorry about that. If you know, I have already filmed one video for today. Today's my second video. This is my second video. And as you can see, it's an unboxing video. It has something to do with that over there. We'll see soon. So, if you've read the title, and you saw what I meant by him over there, you know what this is. This is my Thomas Wooden Railway Donald. Because I needed the other one of the, I needed number 9 of the dynamic duo of 9 and 10. So I've already cut open the package right here, so I guess let's just get into it right now. Nice, a lot of popcorn foam. Nice. Here, let me move the tripod up a bit. Ooh, I feel something. Oh. It's Donald. Finally, after so long. Oh, what's this? What's this? Another Donald? Yeah, that's right, people. I have 2 Donalds now. Even though Donald's like 50 bucks, I was able to find a bid for $25 with 2 Donalds in it. Either way, let's unbox them. Taking them out of their plastic bags. Oh, this feels so good to have a Donald. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. They're not in the best of condition, although neither is my Douglas. And to get a Donald for like 20 bucks, that is pretty good. Plus, I'll take the worst in condition one and I'll turn it into a Thomas Wooden Railway Blue Donald. So yes, it has finally happened. I finally have 2 Thomas Wooden Railway Donalds. Sorry, you can't see them though. Here we go. Sorry, this is very bad. But yes. Here are my 2 Donalds. And they are lovely. It's awesome to have these. Wow. I'm just going to give you a look at these. As you can see, they are the new style ones because they don't have the little ledge on the back. So it matches with my Douglas over there because that's also the new style one. It's so awesome to have these. As you can see, these are definitely not in the best of condition. But I don't really care. I have Donald now. And I'm probably going to be using this one because I think this one is the better of the 2. Yeah, definitely. This one is the better of the 2 Donalds. Yeah, as you can see, here's this Donald. A lot more edge wear. So clearly this was like a childhood one. So yeah. Here are the tenders. So cool. So good to finally have a Donald. So yes, I now have both engines of the dynamic duo of Donald and Douglas. Here, let's see which tender has more edge wear. I think it's this one. So, there you go. And there you go. Let's go to put this one on the layout with its brother, Douglas. So here we are at the set with Douglas. So now, let's get Donald on this layout. As you can see here, though, my Douglas isn't in the best of shape either, although it definitely is in better shape than all these ones. But, I mean, the bottoms are worse on this one, especially on the tender. Like, this tender has been destroyed. But, yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here he comes. Oh, it's so cool. I finally have a Donald. Here, what day is this? This one is from 2003. Oh, this is so cool. Wow, this one's magnet is very weak, though. Wonder why. This one's... I think there's rust on these magnets because it's making a weird scraping noise. So yeah, I think there's a bit of rust on these magnets, but that's fine with me. I mean, Thomas Monroe engines have magnets that rust all the time. I mean, it's normal. But yes, finally have it. So now I'm gonna have them pull a train together. Say goodbye, Donald. And here's Douglas's whistle as he passes by. Awesome.